get started. Okay, you're going to need equal amounts of chopped carrots, chopped celery, cooked noodles, cooked chicken, salt, pepper, garlic, half a cup of diced onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, and parsley for the end.
We make our chicken broth by boiling the parts of the chicken that we don't eat. But you can also buy the prepared broth at the store or make broth with a bouillon cube and water.
By melting the butter, sauteing the onions, and putting the garlic in. We'll cook the onions for 3 to 4 minutes. Now that the onions are a little translucent, we'll add the garlic, stir it around, add the carrots, and we are going to close the lid and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Since the carrots take longer to cook, that's why we put them in 10 minutes before everything else. Okay, next we're going to put in the celery. And add the chicken. So at this point, I'm gonna add a little bit of our chicken broth to help stir in the remaining ingredients. Now we're gonna add in our noodles, and we purposely slightly undercooked them so then they don't get so soggy. We're almost done. We just need to fill in more broth to fill up the soup pot. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And I might add more at the end, just depending on the flavor. I don't know. Now that our soup is made, we're going to let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes before serving, so then all the flavors combine. And top with fresh parsley.